I was asked if it was possible to take a digital, like planner sticker and turn it into a Cricut cut file. And I'm going to try to do that right now. So here's a summer sticker set. I'm going to take this image and I'm going to right click on it to copy it. And then I'm going to open up a blank sheet and go paste to bring it in here because I want to make it larger so I can work with it better. Then I'm going to use a snipping tool. It looks like a little scissors on my computer. The other way I do this is to take a screenshot. And when I take my screenshot, I'm just going to do it in the area right around the part I want as my sticker. And I'm going to save that. And I'm just going to throw it on my desktop for now um, so that I don't lose it. And okay, so now let's go into Cricut Design Space and we're going to upload and we're going to go to the image which I saved on my desktop. If you're going to do a lot of these, I really recommend making a folder on your computer. That's where you're going to organize all your sticker images. And let's see what we find. Teacher. So now when I upload that image, it comes in like this. I want to use complex because this has a lot of shading and color in it. And I want to keep all of that in there so it's very precise. Now I'm going to go continue. Now I want to get rid of the white background because I just wanted to print the actual sticker. So I'm going to go to advanced. Nope, I'm not going to actually use advanced because I want to keep all the color. If I wanted, like say this was just a black and white, I would use the advanced and modify it to 2. But let's just do it like this and see what happens. If I click on this white background, okay, so that took away everything, including the line behind it. So that is unfortunate. So basically, what I need is for this gray outline to be darker so that when I click on this, it just removes up to that gray line. So let's see if I can do that with this or if that's good. Yeah, it's going to not work with this one. Let's try a different image. I know that's probably not the answer you want to hear because you want to be able to use all your images, but it could just be the way this designer made these stickers that if we had something with a darker outline, let's try this. Copy. And part of cricketing is learning and playing with things and trying again. And now we're going to do the screenshot. Okay, let's try this one. And after we get an image in there, it's just going to be your typical print then cut process. Okay, complex. All right, cross your fingers. Ugh, it got rid of everything. So it seems that this designer um, didn't make that white outline really thick. If this was a thick, hard, continuous line, it would be much easier to do that. So the question or the answer to the question is yes, you can do it, but your image has to be formatted correctly. Oh, I just had another idea. What if I did this? And can I change the background of the sheet. See, if I change the background color to black, okay, let's try this. Because now if I take a screenshot of this and go File, Save As, this kind of shows you my working process of how I play with things and figure them out. Because I'm having a feeling that this is going to work now. Okay. When one thing doesn't work, try again. Because the reason it wasn't working is because there wasn't a harsh enough line between the sticker and that outline. So now I put in that black because that is a harsh background, right? So now when I click this magic wand, it removed all the black. Okay? Now if I go continue, I can save that as a print then cut. All right, we're in business. So that's how you gotta do it. So now I can go back to this guy and I could insert anyone. Okay, so there's my directions. Make the background black because then when you put the sticker over it, you get a harsh background line and it erases. And then when you put your sticker in like this, because you saved it as a print then cut, see how it comes in? It's all ready to go. It already says print then cut over here. I can just click make it and it's going to say, oh, yeah, I made that really big. Yep, there it goes. So it's going to turn it sideways. I would go continue, print it from my home printer, then put it in the Cricut, and the Cricut would cut right where that black outline is around the sticker. All right, so I even learned something new. You gotta put a black background behind it if there's not a good border on your sticker. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe so you see all my latest videos. And leave me a comment. Let me know what you need help with and what you're struggling with. Maybe I'll do a video for you. Thanks.